Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept at 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into deep learning. In a quiet village lived a young artist named Arnav. He painted portraits not by tracing but by observing faces and painting from memory. His early paintings were not great. One had a crooked smile, another eyes too far apart. But Arnav had a special habit. Every time he got it wrong, he studied, adjusted, and tried again. When someone asked him, "How do you get so good without copying?" Arnav replied, "I try, I fail, I learn, and I try again." This is the heart of deep learning, a system that learns from mistake and get better with every attempt, just like Arnav. Dear friends, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, where computers learn to recognize patterns by using structures inspired by the human brain called neural network. Rather than writing rules like cats have whiskers, we show the system thousands of pictures of cats and non-cats. The neural network processes each image through multiple layers, learning features on its own from detecting edges to recognize eyes, ears, and fur patterns. These layers build understanding step by step. The first layers learn simple patterns like curves and lines. Middle layer detects shapes like eyes and noses. And final layer recognize full objects like cat. Difference each layer transforms the data just a bit, helping the system making sense of complex information. And here, the deep learning makes the many layers, each refining the input more than the last. And what makes it learning? Yes, the ability to improve over time by comparing prediction with the actual result, then adjusting internal connection to reduce the future error. That's how deep learning powers face recognition, language translation, autonomous driving, and more. It doesn't memorize, it learns from data through layers by making mistakes and correcting them. Dear friends, deep learning is more than just algorithm. It's a digital reflection of how human learns. Like Arnav, the artist, it starts rough but refines itself within every try. It turns pixels into meaning, sounds into language, text into understanding. So next time you hear deep learning, think of a system not programmed to know everything, but designed to learn anything. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you, dear friends. Happy learning.